I love the sound of water. I told my husband for my birthday, which is in October, I want a pond. We thought we wanted to make our own pond until we realized what all was involved in that. That didn't work, so we went over to Pond Country in Greensboro. Everybody there is very friendly, very helpful. Talked with them a little bit, saw some ponds. Troy was the guy that came out and actually drew the design in the yard, and he was super helpful. He explained how it would be done. He explained what the guys would do when they come out. We had this orange spray paint all in our yard where each little thing would be. It was a one-day job. Loved the construction crew. The guys were wonderful. They come out, they did their job. When they were through, everything was cleaned up, everything was back like it should be. I was very satisfied with the work they did. My favorite part of the pond would be the waterfall. We have lights that go all the way around that light up, so at night we sit over there in the swing and we just listen to the water. They did a fantastic job. You get so much out of it. It's well worth the money that you spend. I have a horse rescue and I'm busy with that, but I do want a clean pond. So we do the monthly program basically because we just don't have the time to do the maintenance on the pond. Kelly comes out twice a month. That's the best thing I ever done. I don't have to worry about it. All I have to do is sit back and enjoy it. Ponds are the best thing in the world. Everybody should have one.